Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and this is the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. Well, today was an interesting day because I was dog tired earlier in the morning, and I pulled over and took a 30-minute nap. And I did some posts in the community section of the YouTube channel as to whether or not will DoorDash hold me down $20 for that half hour that I took off, because it's usually a 2-to-1 ratio, or are they going to still limit me to the $360 on the day? And it was really funny because right at, I think it was 11:15 or somewhere around there, I put it inside the community post, but they pulled me with a $50 large order that pulled me within $1.50 of the $20 per hour. And then I've been kind of maintaining that the rest of the day and snuck just ahead because they threw an add-on on my last order. So we finished with $377.32. So far we're at $1521.37 for the week, with 1 day off that I took for an oil change. So we've got 2 more days left at $360. That's $720 left. So right now we're at a $22.40 pace for the week. Sunday might be a little lower than $360 because I only worked 17 and a half hours instead of the full 18. But yeah, we're on a good pace. I'm really happy with those numbers, especially after taking a day off. It almost makes me think, wow, maybe I should take a day off every week. But I want to get out of debt. I want to get out of debt so bad, and that extra money would expedite the process. So we're just going to default to the Y. So let's go take a look at the rest of the numbers. We're not going to be cashing out tonight because I'm upset with the Crimson card, and so as a result, I will be cashing out in the morning the rest of this week, and not cashing out on Saturday, so that after 11:30 on Sunday I'll be able to cash out before the midnight hour. So let's go take a look at the ratings. See, we might have some late stuff that we have to take care of. Yes, we do. So currently I'm at an 89 acceptance rate, 100% completion, 98 on time, 5.0 customer rating, 1070. So we're increasing the number of deliveries, which is interesting. DoorDash has been moving me from an average of about 34 deliveries to 40 plus. So we'll see what that is when we look at the earnings page. I didn't look at it on the screenshot. And currently we're at 47,592 for lifetime deliveries. So that means in roughly 10 days, we should be over 48,000. Just hitting those mile markers. Before we do that, let's go find out what we were late on or on time. I'm gonna go over here, view all orders, click on the late button. The Cheesecake Factory, that's because I had to wait. Even though they said that I was late at the drop-off, but we're gonna say unexpected. It really doesn't matter. I think because of how much I actually produce, it really doesn't make any difference if it qualifies or not. The famous lobster, I forget where I dropped that off. That was a difficulty finding the drop-off location. Excluding that. Okay. So going out into something else. Go. Going back into our ratings again. Now everything's at 100, so we're set up for the morning. Going over into the earnings real quick. Let's see how many deliveries we actually did today. Oh, there was some additional funds there too. So it's 377.32, but there was an order that I had to cancel. So we did 39 deliveries today. Yeah, you see down here there's extra pay. So we actually did 383.10 is what we did today. So a good number. Validate that by going to the cash out Yeah, 380, 310. The guy's getting old, but he can still do math. All right, so just another little side note. We tested the Live, and I will be talking about that tomorrow morning. I think that's going to be the topic for our journey through the desert, and sharing our experience with testing the Live, because I can't do Lives on the mobile. So with that, I hope that you guys did well today. I hope that you made it home safe. I know John was out there in the snow as it was coming out in where were you? About North Carolina. It's not Raleigh. I don't know what town you live in, but your small town, backwoods area, you were getting snow. And I saw you on another Live, and I'm glad you made it home. And Aaron's still doing good. I popped in on his Live last night. So I know that my friends made it home safe. I'm making it home safe. Hopefully you made it home safe. Hopefully we'll be able to build a stronger friendship and relationship with each other, as this community grows, and I'll be able to, get to know you even better. But, yeah, safety is paramount, and safety is an attitude. I know some of you are like, yeah, but you're out here driving 18 hours a day, and that's not safe. I get it, I realize it, but I will stop if I see any signs of being tired or exhausted, just like I did this morning, and I took a half-hour nap. It started out as a 15-minute nap, and I kept on snoozing it for 5 minutes, but didn't want to go over the 35-minute time frame. So with that, I'm home, and I will talk to you first thing in the morning, and we'll talk about this Live experience, and hopefully we can chat further down the road. With that, go, because I'm going to bed. Have a good night.